Current flow requests not showing on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, go to the apps, and then go to the Instagram app. Now all what you have to do here is click on the storage, click on this clear cache option. After that, you have to click on the power usage details, click on the app launch option, and then disable this manage automatically option and click OK. Now click here on this option, as you can see, to stop running the app in the background on your phone. Go back, click on the Play Store, search for Instagram, and then update it. That's the last step. Now all what you have to do is just reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have to restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.